It's hard to overstate the explosion in party balloons for events both big and small, but a new treatment is edging in, and it's sometimes taking all of the attention at these events and in these partyscapes. Event planners are going overhead and over the top with strips and streamers of fringe. And if you want to try out this trend, you're going to need some help. So we invited crafter Darcie Liptrot to figure out how to keep the tablecloth party fringe banner approachable for the at-home party planner. It's great to see you.
Good to see you too.
And she's eye level with me today.
I have the best heels on today.
You must be wearing your big girl shoes.
That's right.
I've got my heels on too, but never before have I stared into your beautiful eyes like this.
Isn't that fun?
You're amazing. All right, this trend, set the scene for us. What is it exactly?
So it's super simple. Well, the way that I like to do it is super simple. I've seen it done in more complex ways, but listen, I don't have that kind of time in my life.
Let's celebrate the professionals before we jump to simplified, because they deserve a nod all their own. What are they doing? What are you seeing?
You're seeing lots of beautiful colors, lots of fringe and layers of it and embellishments of it. So there is a basic way to do it, but then you get to zhuzh it.
There's this. Then there's what the pros
then
are
there's
doing.
Like, wow.
Well, we'll leave the pros to the pros. There's still going to be a wow factor to what we're doing today.
Absolutely.
You're going to bring it, to real life. And make it approachable for the at-home party thrower. But I said wow when I saw what you brought to the studio today.
Right?
This is cool, Darcie.
Like, it's super fun and super easy, and it looks less easy than it is, which that's what we like.
That's always a win, and it looks more complicated than it actually is. So what's the process? What do we need to get started?
So all you really need to do is go to your local craft store or like your local big box or Target or even the dollar store and grab some plastic tablecloths.
That's where the magic starts.
That's where the magic is.
Plastic tablecloth.
Like, it's so fun. And it's super easy and simple, and they come in all kinds of colors.
I was going to say, colors are a good selection.
Like, colors are good. Metallics, they've come in.
Oh,
they come in like rose gold. Like, anything that you can really think of, they have a plastic tablecloth for, because, we love plastic tablecloths. So that's good, because you can get whatever color you need.
What do you do to this plastic tablecloth?
So I have a little one here, but usually it's like gigantic and rectangular, right? So you're gonna lay it all out and unfold it, and then you're gonna unfold it again, and it's kind of got those two layers. You can see that.
So this is the underneath?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this is just it.
But it splits, or did you split it?
It's already split at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
And then this is the top. So like you would lay it over your table,
Got
right?
it. Okay.
But what we're gonna do is just take some twine and tape it down to whatever surface you're laying it out on. Like, these are long, so you're gonna have to like lay them out on your hardwood floor or your big giant table or like your carpet or something that you can really stretch it out on.
Give yourself space and stabilize.
Yes, you need lots of space, which is fun. Just for a minute though, because this takes literally minutes. Which is so fun. So then you're gonna find the crease.
I see where you're going, and I'm getting excited because it feels so doable.
So then you're gonna fold it back over after you've hit that crease.
Right. It's already creased for you. How nice.
I know. Like, how polite. We're doing it all
showing up how we need it to.
And so then you kind of see how the string fits in the crease. I like to kind of anchor it down on the other side too when I'm working on it, just so that I can kind of pull it and maneuver it the way that I need to. Okay, so now I've got it right there, and then like you're just gonna take this stapler.
Go girl.
Everybody has one, right? Like,
no need to
I
purchase
hope you have a stapler because they're divine. And you're just going to staple.
The stapler has never felt so revered and respected. It's like today's my day. Darcie just called me divine.
Divine stapling.
Okay.
Okay, and then you're just going to run along the edge.
So would you in real life, big scale, would you be doing multiple layers, or do you do one layer at a time?
Oh my heck, you could do multiple layers.
You could do multiple at
once.
But
how I would do it is just one layer at a time, because like as you're working with this plastic, it's kind of whoopy. You know what I mean? And so it could be overwhelming if you did like 4 on the same string. You know what I'm saying?
It easily could whoop out of control.
It could just like whoop it up.
It's whoopy.
It would whoop it up.
All right, when do we cut? Are we cutting? Are we fringing?
And so then I would fold it back down so it just kind of looks nice and tight. You're just gonna take your scissors, like this is it. This is it, and this is kind of satisfying. I just hold it and kind of go, oh yeah, about an inch, that looks rad. And then I go all the way up to the rope.
Okay.
And then as you do that, first of all, that sound, right?
It is very satisfying, you're right.
It's like one of those sound
Kind of
thingies.
comforting.
Yeah.
Who needs a sound machine? I can just fringe myself
You
to
can
sleep.
just
I can
fringe
just
plastic.
whoop fringe myself.
Whoop fringe yourself.
Okay.
I love that. There's a lot of whoop fringing at my house, I think.
Is there?
Like we whoop and fringe,
Yeah, yeah.
and it's good.
Okay, so
And
you'd
so
pull-
you're just going to do that.
You'd pull several together. Are we going to go for the unfold?
Yeah,
The
we're
moment.
definitely going to
Here
go.
we go. Here we go.
And then
Look at this.
this just
Look at
unveils.
this. Okay. So you'd get your base colors going, but then you've added some
Yes.
fun extras.
And then you want to leave a little bit of space, like
yeah.
maybe a ½ inch to an
Oh
inch.
yeah, there she goes.
Because then we've got the
There she
zhuzh.
goes.
Like, look how cute she is.
She's darling. I
Like,
mean, I wouldn't go to
doesn't that
Divine.
look-
We'll save that for the stapler, but she's cute. She's really cute.
right?
Okay, so back here you've done black.
Yep.
And then what else did you mix into this Halloween set?
And so then what I do is just kind of go into my craft room and see what I've got going on. And I have like these do not cross danger. They're for Halloween. You know how you put them across your door?
Perfect.
Why not use it as like a ribbon?
Yeah.
And then just mix it in with your ribbons. And I just kind of go every so often. So maybe in mine I have 4 to 5 like ribbon zhuzhes.
It was very clever of you to place the ribbon strategically because ribbon, we know if we did this with ribbon, it would be ridiculously expensive, but the tablecloths make it economical, but the bursts of ribbon here and there make it have that higher
It
end
still
look.
makes it look
Yes.
awesome,
Yes.
right? Like, oh, I bought that.
All right, down front, what did you do down front?
So down front is just pink, and then it's just kind of a lot of rosy, pinky, happy, Barbie, lovey.
So cute, so cute.
But you can I create these just separately and then tie them. And then when I get my garland done, I hang them where they look good.
So the ribbon bundle is its own independent project.
Yeah, and so then you could reuse it too.
For your
like
wreath.
You can take it down,
Yep.
put it on your door, throw it on your wreath.
Okay,
whatever
where
you
are we
wanna
getting
do.
the best tablecloths, the best colors?
So I really like the dollar store
Yeah.
because they have a lot of great pastels, and they also do like uncommon colors like brown and orange and black.
Mm-hmm.
And I love those for fall. But you could also, I found such great colors at Target. Like the colors were really
Grabby.
gourmet, you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
Your words are so good today. Would you ever go crazy, Darcie, like the pros and do some large scale, over the top
Absolutely.
installation? You would.
I don't know if you know me, but like, less is not more in my world.
Right.
More is the best.
Right.
And so I would layer these. I would like get creative with where you're hanging them.
Yeah.
Like this could go over your kitchen table on a light fixture. It can definitely go on your mantle, but like get creative. It could go in front of your door for Halloween. That would be really cute to layer several. And then it just gives you a nice effect.
I
you know?
love that you've given us this approachable way to pull off that over-the-top
Party.
effect that
It's
we're
so
seeing
party.
all over. It's so party. It's so Darcie. Where can we follow more projects from you?
Just check me out on Instagram at Darcie Does Stuff because I like to do all the stuff.
All right, we love Darcie and we love her shoes, which match her
Yay.
shirt, by the way. Cutest. You're the cutest. Thank you so much.